Meet the Martins. A regular Tuesday morning turned into chaos. In minutes, rain turned to a flood. Their basement, submerged. Their memories, electronics, heirlooms, all at risk. The panic sets in. Who do you call? What do you do first? That's when they found Tri-State Restorations. Tri-State's 24/7 emergency response isn't just a slogan. It's a promise.
Adrienne, the emergency call center representative that night, answered the Martins' call. She walked them through what to expect during their mitigation journey with Tri-State and got emergency crews dispatched immediately.
Within an hour, the Martins opened the door to Dion Gray and his service team, ready to take control. Water damage isn't just puddles. It's hidden mold, ruined floors, and health risks. But Dion and his crew knew exactly what to do. Tri-State goes beyond cleanups. They deliver safety, disinfection, and complete restoration. Tri-State isn't your average contractor.
Tri-State Restoration's entire team is water restoration certified and ready to assist.
From assessment to rebuild, you're in capable, caring hands. Within days, the Martins' home was restored, and their stress replaced with relief. Adrienne followed up, making sure every detail was right. This is how Tri-State builds trust.
Floods, water heater burst, pipe breaks, fire and smoke, or mold damage.
Tri-State is built for all of it. With dedicated people like Adrienne and Dion, no crisis is too big. No delay is acceptable.
When disaster strikes, you need people you can count on.
Turning disaster into peace of mind. Tri-State didn't just repair damage. With people like Adrienne and Dion, they restored peace, order, and the lives affected by chaos. Disaster doesn't give you a heads up, but now you know who to call. Adrienne's team will answer. Dion's team will deliver. Fast, professional, and caring. Every time.